testing 1, 2, 3. Here I go. Give me that microphone.
We're gathered here to celebrate the marriage of Amanda and Ryan. We come together not to mark the start of a relationship, but to acknowledge and strengthen the bond that already exists. Marriage is a commitment in life where two people can find to bring out the very best in each other. It offers an opportunity for sharing and growth that no other human relationship can equal. A physical and emotional joining that has the promise of a lifetime.
It makes me so happy to know that she has found her soulmate, Ryan. Someone who matches her compassion, thoughtfulness, and willingness to help others.
Your smile gives me joy, and your love gives me a life to look forward to. I remember our first date at Noches when you agreed to go out to dinner with me for my birthday. From that moment, I knew we'd be making memories for a lifetime. Today, we are making a memory I will cherish until the day I die.
Amanda, you've been an interesting daughter from the very start. Yeah, full of surprises beyond belief.
Yeah. Despite Amanda being the older and bossier sister, she has always been so patient, thoughtful, and always there to take care of me whenever I need her the most. And that's because when it comes to the people she loves, she's all in.
From your wild days dancing on the kitchen island to actually completing college and getting several master's degrees and finding this wonderful man to marry, I want to let you know you will always be my little girl.
I've always known Ryan was a stand-up guy, which I can only attribute by the way he was raised.
Underneath my jacket, up the staircase through the house, you chew my gum in your
Ryan, you've made my sister the happiest girl in the world, and the Bamer family is so lucky to be gaining someone as amazing as you. And although you didn't have the pleasure of meeting our mom, I know she would love you too.
I want to tell you guys a story about how perfect this guy is. Before my dad passed away last January, he had some issues walking up and down our patio stairs because it didn't have a hand railing. So me and my mom are talking, and she says, "Hey, you think Ryan would know how to build something like this?" So I call him and ask him, and I'll lay it down for him. He's 30 seconds, 30 minutes maybe. After I hang up the phone, Ryan's at my front door and says, "Hey, we're on our way to Home Depot. We're gonna figure this shit out." That's the kind of guy that you're marrying, Amanda. He'll drop whatever you need for whatever, and you already know that.
Where does that crying? I'm watching you. You're watching me.
Ryan, there's little that you haven't heard before, but you're my best friend and my soulmate. I promise to love you in the good times and the bad, and when life is simple and when it's hard. You, me, and the boys are in it together, through thick and thin.
I'll be everything you need and the husband you deserve. With our friends and family here present, I promise to protect you and take care of you, and I'll love you entirely until the day I have. I love you, baby. Love, your Hubba Bubba.
I promise to always be your biggest fan and your #1 hype woman. I promise to give you all of me as your wife. I love you forever, Bubba, forever and ever.
May your love be a lifelong source of excitement, affection, respect, and devotion to one another. And so by the power invested in me, it is my honor to declare you husband and wife.
Finally, Amanda and Ryan, we pray that your days will be filled with joy and happiness, but there will be tough days ahead. They'll contain some trials and hardships, but please remember why you married each other. Give each other a hugs and kiss every day, and take the time to remember how much you love each other. To Amanda and Ryan.